Hello quick learners, welcome back to Quick Learning. As we all know, we have started the Java series and this one is the second video of that. In the last video, we heard the term JVM. So in this video, we are going to understanding some important terms in the Java ecosystem, which are JVM, JRE and JDK. Now let's break them down one by one. Firstly, JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Think of the JVM as the machine that runs your Java program. We can say it is an abstract machine that enables your computer to run a Java program. Means when you run the Java program, Java compiler first compile your Java source code to the bytecode. Then the JVM translates that bytecode into the native machine code. What is meant by machine code? Means set of instructions that a computer CPU execute directly. Correct? Now, as we all know, Java is a platform independent language. This is because of the JVM. Write once, run anywhere. Once you write the Java source code, you can run it on any operating system, whether it's Windows, Linux or Mac OS. It's interesting, correct? This is because of JVM, Java Virtual Machine. The main use case of the JVM is to convert bytecode into the native machine code. That's all about the JVM. Now let's understand JRE, Java Runtime Environment. JRE is the superset of JVM. JRE is a software package that provides Java class libraries, JVM and other components that are required to run Java application. It provides an environment to run only the Java program onto the system. So the main use of JRE is running a Java application on a system. So if you only want to run Java program, installing the JRE is all you need. So that's all about the JRE. Now let's understand JDK, Java Development Kit. This is the full package you need if you want to develop the Java program. JDK is a software development kit required to develop the application in Java. When you download JDK, the JRE is also downloaded with it. In addition to JRE, JDK also contains a number of development tools. Basically, it includes two things. First, development tool and second, JRE. So the main use case of JDK is to writing and compiling the Java source code. So to sum it up, if you are just looking to run Java program, get the JRE. But if you want to develop them, you need the JDK. So here is the quick recap. JVM is the engine that runs Java bytecode. JRE is the package that contains the JVM and everything you need to run Java program. JDK is the complete toolkit for Java developer, including the JRE and additional development tools like the Java compiler. So JVM is for execution, JRE is for running Java apps and JDK is for development. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more such videos. Let me know in the comment what topics you would like to cover next. See you on next video. Bye.